Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change avatar in Honor of Kings. If you're playing Honor of Kings and want to personalize your profile with a new avatar, then here's how you can do it. First of all, launch Open Honor of Kings game on your device. Once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and tap on your current avatar at the top left corner. After you get to this profile section, tap on your avatar once again and then click on Avatar. On the next page, select a new avatar you'd like to change to from the suggested avatars. Go ahead and select one of the avatars from the suggested avatars categories and tap on Use in order to add the avatar in your profile. If you want to upload your own photo, go to the top left and tap on this little plus button. Now click on Custom and click on Upload from Device. But not everyone can go ahead and upload their photo from their device. The Upload Photo from Device unlocks at Gold tier, so make progress throughout the game in order to add your own photo. But for now, let's go ahead and select any one profile picture from the menu and click on Use. And now get back and you'll notice you have changed your profile picture in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.